include Waldron, Paris, Clarksville, Boonville, Woodland, Toccolan, Subiaco, Stonehouse Recreation Area. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Johnson County and western Arkansas, northeastern Logan County and western Arkansas, southeastern Newton County and north central Arkansas, Pope, POPE County and central Arkansas, southwestern Searcy County and north central Arkansas, west central Van Buren County and north central Arkansas, north central Yell County and central Arkansas, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from near Ludwig Lake to Piney Bar Recreation Area to 8 miles north of Danville and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Woods Spring, Carroll, Solo, Smyrna, Piney Bar Recreation Area, Moore, Ludwig Lake, London, Lamar, Lake Dardanelle, Knoxville, Holman, Hector, Dover, Cabin Creek Recreation Area, Broomfield, Burma, Tully. This includes Interstate 40 between mile mark